Okay, so I'm going to show you something here decent for free. So basically we've got two runners from the same yard. You've got just a different coloured cap. They're both from Sire Bin Saror. This is actually a Kempton race in the evening. It's 20 minutes to post, so it is early, but it's quite important. This is going a strong move, so we need to get on this nice and early. So I've laid the favourite at 4.7 and 4.8, and I've backed the third for 6.0. And the reason I've taken them in opposite directions is because they're both from the same yard. That'll come clear in a second. So if I jump the video forward, sorry, to 10 minutes to post, you can see the market's already gone a significant move from 4.7 to 5.7 on the favourite, so that's a long drift, and on the third favourite it's coming from 6.0 to 5.2. You'll also see, if you look at the match bets at the bottom there, I bottled it a bit on the third, so I made a bit of a mistake there. We all make them. I could have had a little bit more profit, but either way we're in a decent position. Now I'll be looking to get out of this trade quite soon, to be honest, because I don't expect to go a massive amount more than it has already, which, funny enough, jumping forward 5 minutes to post, you can see that the second favourite is nearly at 6.0, so I could have had a little bit more profit on that one also. So don't claim to be anything, anything special. I'm just human at the end of the day. But what I want to show you here is the fact that these two are repelling each other. Now the reason they're repelling each other, if you look at the bottom there, you can see there's been significant money on the lay side, as it were. Significant money for this was favourite to drift, and adversely there's been plenty of back money for the third. It may well have been a case of there was just back money for the third runner, but because these are both from the same yard, it more or less has to mirror itself in the market with the two different runners. The reason being because people take a view. This runner's got two horses in a race. If one runner's being backed, then the other one has to drift. It's that simple. So you can see the arrow pointing out there. It was going a fair drift before this even started recording, so I could have gotten even sooner had I spotted it, but I didn't. I only spotted it 20 minutes before. But you can see 46 quid's a nice little move, quite early. Now I don't often trade that early, but it's worth looking out for these little things on the card throughout the day, because sometimes, particularly when there are similar sort of price ranges and they're not massively apart there, they really can have an effect on each other. So good little bit of information there. If there's two runners from the same sort of yard, owner, trainer, whatever in a race, and one comes in, then the other one's pretty much going to go out.